Like that. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Turn around. As long as the girls are on the video.
There, that is perfect when you're standing
Yeah.
right there. You're perfectly in it.
Jenna, you want me to put a couple of highlights for you after? Do you want highlights?
For Sarah, you mean?
Oh, for
Just for Sarah. Sarah
I've
likes
seen.
the hum.
I'm
I
confused.
don't know whether you can do it on her hair.
So
though.
you
It's pretty light.
want it for Sarah, not for Jenna. Jenna's okay, right?
Yeah, I'm fine right now.
Yeah, I can put a couple before I leave. Just gonna put it.
Maybe a few at the front.
Yeah, just a couple. She's got already light hair. So.
Are you chit-chatting with Jenna? Isn't everybody in school right now?
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
Honestly, you can sit if you want.
Okay.
I don't want you to be tired by the end
Get you
of
in there.